do you like chickens? How about chicken pot pie? How about chicken nuggets?
Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. Can't get on, can't get off. Chicken train, take the chickens away.
Hey everybody, Wyoming James checking in with you. I have no idea what day it is, but it's the day after yesterday and the day before tomorrow. So we are out here. It is full on evening time. Now, we didn't get video this morning because I had a substitute. And my substitute was standing right here in front of us, Miss Powder River Mandarin. She came out this morning to allow me a couple of minutes of extra sleep so that I could be a little more prepared and rested for my long day that I have had. And I'm so glad she did, because it was, I don't know if I'd have made it through otherwise. So she came out, lowered feeders, filled waters, made me aware that we have a water leak in this tractor. So once we empty these birds out, I'm going to get in there and see if I can't figure out why that is. And I think they're actually separated right now. It looks like they're not even connected anymore, but I'll get that figured out. We'll see what we got going on here, and we will let you guys know how that goes. So what we're going to have Mandy do is open the door for the very first time on the pasture, and we're going to see if, look at that. That one's ready to be out. Oh, this is great. Look at him. Look at him. He knows. Oh, he's going for it. This is great. This is great. Let's see if we can't shoo him some. Oh, he's already caught one.
He is a hunter.
He's almost caught another one. He learned from Nolan.
Step on him.
This is great. So come on, the rest of you birds.
Slow movers. They're not sure
Yeah, so they're not sure if they're supposed to be out. So Manny's gonna get in there and shoo them all out of the tractor. This is always fun. So there's always about 8 or 10 days of training the birds that they need to go out. Here, let's see if we can get him some. Oh, there we go. Oh, he's got another one. Yeah, does he?
Come on.
All right, well, we'll let him keep doing his thing. This is way more entertaining over here, watching Mandy try to shoo the birds out.
They don't know what to do.
This is great fun, actually.
Don't act like you want to fight me.
It's funny that door being open, that little piece of 2x4, a couple pieces of 2x4 is such a psychological barrier to these birds that they don't want to jump over it. So now we got them out here. They're headed out. Oh, we got 2 more. She's getting them now. Look at that. Hooray for Mandy. All right, so get the door closed so they don't go back in. And then let's shoo them out into this taller grass and see if they start. Boy, this one's just doing well. Look at it. He's already got another one. This is great stuff. So, all right, we're gonna get these birds acclimated to the grasshopper land, and we will check back in with you guys shortly. Might as well make them even.
Okay.
What?
Y'all want to go that way, then go that way.
All right, all in all, another good evening. I managed to not kill any birds today, so that's a win.
Either.
Mandy didn't kill any either, but most importantly, I didn't. Appreciate all the feedback I received today from people wishing us sympathy on the lost birds. Thank you all. Thank you all for caring. So anyway, I just wanted to say thanks to everybody for watching. I'm glad you are watching. Just not a lot to report tonight. So we're getting these birds trained to leave the tractors and then go back in the tractors. They're doing really good about eating the grasshoppers, which is great. It's free protein. We want them doing that. So yeah, I just again I want to thank you guys all for the sympathy and the well wishes in the comments. We're just out here raising chickens. That's all we can do. So BJ Semler, I noticed you commented. Appreciate your sympathy. Your name came up with my boss today, and your vocation. We were talking about public speaking today, and I brought you up. So if you want to chat sometime, with me, I would love to have a voice conversation with you, and just kind of talk about what you do over there at Eastern Wyoming College, and kind of talk about what that looks like. So I think it's great. I love it. I fancy myself a little bit of a communicator, and my broker Josh, my mentor Josh, he also fancies himself a bit of a communicator, and I'd love to hear some of your input on that, on some of our more work-related stuff. So hit me up if you want to shoot me a private message and get me your phone number. I'll get back with you, and that would be awesomely awesome. I know that's your catchphrase. But anyway, so BJ, hit me up, buddy. Look forward to hearing from you. I would love to have more discussions with you. So that's it, though. Mandy, do you have anything else that you want to say?
Nope. I'm good.
It's a great big no storm there. I'm afraid I overfed Mandy yesterday, and now she's miserable. So she's in a food coma. So anyway, everything is going well. Real quick update. We smoked a couple of the birds. We put them on the smoker. My first attempt at smoking birds. It turned out really, really well. They turned out really, really well. We've been eating smoked chicken sandwiches for a couple of days now, and it is tasty. For lunch, of course. But anyway, everything is going well on the home front too. So I'm going to quit talking before I run out of and ums to say. So, Wyoming James, Powder River Mandarin checking out from another day on the Urban Micro Farm. Adios.
Chicken train running all day, can't get on,